自然を歩く。歩くといっても、実は人間はさまざまなバランスを足になのです。
今、私は足の裏のセンサーで階段を確認し、細かくバランスを取ります。皆さん、気づいていないでしょうけど、人間も目で見て、速さに合わせて足の裏でバランスを取りながら。
それでは、ご見学中のお客様に申し上げます。ただいまロボットが転倒したため、ステージを中止とさせていただきます。申し訳ございませんが。
Let's plug it in. It's going to say, hey, I see you plugged in a new device. And it's going to load in the appropriate drivers. You'll notice that this scanner build, whoa. Moving right along.
That must be why we're not shipping Windows 98 yet.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Dear Mom, comma. Fix ant. Delete that. Delete that. Delete that. I think it's picking up a little bit of echo here. Delete, select all. Okay. I'm glad you're enjoying this.
Ouch! Let's not forget the first part of recognition is wreck, as in train wreck. That was today's demo for Microsoft, to be sure. Those who have seen this software actually work say it tends to be temperamental, but clearly voice recognition in Redmond was in a bad mood today. And you were wondering why Vista keeps getting delayed?
We can see here I'm running Internet Explorer. I can browse smoothly, see great pages using ClearType, and have a great experience just with with browsing. Its 10.6-inch optically bonded widescreen display is custom designed for Surface. And of course, people play games. I can go and play any of the interesting games that are in the Windows Store, and I can use Surface for using all the sensors that are within Windows as well. Surface works for all of those games. Movies and entertainment look great as well. Oops. Hang on just a moment. There. Excuse me just a second.
All right. Let's show the glass demo. Franz, could you try to break this glass, please? Yeah. Sure? Yeah. Oh my fucking God. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Should we try on the mirror?
Sorry? Okay. It didn't go through. So that's a plus side.
Let's try the right.
Try that one? Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, man.
It didn't go through. All right. Not bad. Room for improvement. All right. Let's see. So, yeah. We did actually throw everything. We threw wrenches. We threw everything. We even literally threw the kitchen sink at the glass, and it didn't break. For some weird reason, it broke now. I don't know why. Just fix it in post. So.
Now